Flickering headlights are usually a sign of an electrical problem, such as problems with the battery, alternator, wiring, or other components. Here are the most common reasons why this happens. A weak or dying battery cannot provide steady power to your car's electrical system, which may cause your headlights to flicker. This is often more noticeable when starting the car or using other electronics that demand extra power. Loose connections, such as battery terminals or damaged wiring, can disrupt the electrical flow in your car. This interruption can cause your headlights to flicker or behave inconsistently while driving. Old or low-quality headlight bulbs can begin to flicker as they wear out. As the filament or internal components degrade, the light becomes unstable and may flash or dim unexpectedly. Far-end headlight bulbs offer bright, clear illumination for better visibility and safer driving at night. They are designed for easy installation, have a long lifespan, and provide consistent, reliable performance even in harsh weather conditions. A faulty headlight switch or relay can create an inconsistent electrical connection, causing the headlights to flicker on and off. This problem often leads to irregular lighting performance until the faulty part is replaced. If the voltage regulator is malfunctioning, it can cause fluctuations in the electrical current sent to your headlights. This results in flickering or unstable lighting, as the headlights are not receiving a consistent voltage supply. Over time, a wiring harness can become worn, frayed, or damaged, which disrupts the flow of electricity to the headlights. This damage can lead to flickering lights, as the electrical connection becomes weak or intermittent. If your car's electrical system is overloaded by aftermarket accessories like a powerful sound system, light bars, or other electronics, it may draw too much power. This strain can cause your headlights to flicker, especially when multiple devices are running at once. A loose or faulty fuse or relay in the headlight circuit can disrupt the flow of electricity, causing inconsistent power delivery to the headlights. This can lead to flickering lighting until the faulty component is secured or replaced. In modern vehicles, the electronic control unit or body control module controls the headlights. If either of these systems fails or develops a problem, it can cause flickering by sending irregular signals to the lighting system. If your headlights are flickering, do not ignore it. Identifying and fixing the problem early can prevent bigger electrical problems and keep you safe on the road.